Tsunami warning in effect for the state of Hawaii. An 8.9 moment magnitude earthquake near Japan has created a widespread tsunami, and a tsunami warning remains in effect for the state of Hawaii. Urgent action should be taken to protect life and property. The first wave is estimated to arrive approximately at 307 HST for Kauai, 321 HST for Oahu, 327 HST for Maui, and 346 HST for the Big Island. Unusual wave action is possible for several hours after the arrival of the waves. Exact tsunami heights cannot be predicted. A tsunami is a series of long ocean waves, which are not surfable. All shores are at risk no matter which direction they face, and you should remain well away from the coastline until the tsunami threat subsides, as extremely strong and unusual near-shore currents are possible. Debris picked up and carried by a tsunami also poses a significant threat. Tsunami waves are amplified as they enter harbors and bays, and boaters should prepare for significant surges in harbors such as Arkansas, Honolulu, Naualili, Haleiwa, Kahului, Hilo, and Kauai. Boats are safer out of the harbor and boaters should take immediate action to move their vessels to safety. Tsunami evacuation maps can be found in the front of the yellow pages. Follow the advice of your local civil defense officials and stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local media for further updates. This statement will be updated as additional information becomes available from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center.